Hey guys, today I'll show you how to self-host your own web application firewall so that you can protect your web applications such as your WordPress website or email servers. So in this guide, we'll be using Cybersecurity SafeLine web application firewall. So they have a free forever plan. So it is $0. You can use this for personal and you can upgrade anytime. All you need is to have a VPS that runs Ubuntu or whatever OS that is compatible with Docker. So let's get started. So first we will open or rather connect to our VPS. Okay, I will connect to my VPS. You can use any VPS as I've suggested. Okay, I'll just quickly log into my VPS using Bitwise. This is absolutely free SSH client. I'll just open a new terminal console. First, I'll update my packages. Okay, that will be sudo. Sorry about that. Okay, so now we will install Cybersecurity's SafeLine. So we'll just copy this command right here. Okay, we'll paste it here and hit enter. Then we will choose number 1. And we will choose Y so that we will install the latest version of Docker. And we will leave this as blank. Okay, great. We have successfully installed SafeLine. And we can access our panel right here. We'll open this in a new tab. Okay, paste it here. Click advanced and click proceed. Okay, we will just click agree and start using. Then we will use this initial login credentials to log into our SafeLine. It will be admin and password. Okay, great. So welcome to your SafeLine web application firewall dashboard. So now we will go to settings and we will not use IP and port to access our WAF. So we will go to settings. Then we will go to add cert. We will generate a free certificate. Okay, for our domain, we will use the subdomain. It will be webshanks.store. And we'll add our email address. And before you click submit, we will need to have an A record for our domain here. So that will be waf.webshanks.store. I'll open our Namecheap. Okay, you just need to have an A record like this. So we will add a new record. That will be WAF. And we'll use our IPv4. And we'll just click save. Then we will go back to SafeLine WAF. Okay, so now let's click submit. Okay, great. So now we will add our domain to applications. So we will go to applications. Then we will add application for our domain. That will be waf.webshanks.store. we'll use port 80 and 443. For SSL certificates, we'll use the one that we have created. And for reverse proxy, we will use HTTPS 127.0.0.1 and port 9443. We will name this application as WAF panel. Okay, and we will just click submit. And now we will access our SafeLine using this domain. Okay, so we will log in, be admin, and the same password, and just click login. And now we have completely set up a web application firewall with SafeLine. So now you can access your SafeLine WAF using your domain. So now you can start adding applications, and if you have a license and if you want to upgrade, so just click upgrade license and enter your code here and just click activate. And you have the pro version, so it will expire in 7 days. And for free version, you can add up to 10 applications. So that's it. This is how to set up SafeLine WAF and secure your web applications. So if you have any questions, just comment them down and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.